Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDI 150B horsepower launch edition DSG. This stunning vehicle in blue with 876 kilometers on the clock is sure to impress. Packed with features for comfort, convenience and safety, this Tiguan is equipped with all the latest technology such as satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking and wireless charging. With a luxurious interior, sleek styling and top-notch security features, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, with an anti-corrosion warranty, energy recuperation and self-driving capabilities, this vehicle is truly ahead of its time. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Fully serviced and with a comprehensive warranty, this vehicle has been given a full multi-point health and safety check. Contact us today at blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in style with the Volkswagen Tiguan.